How to Write Technical Writing, your step-by-step guide to writing technical writing, written by HowExpert Press, narrated by Joel Allen. Introduction. In this ebook, we will discuss how to write technical articles, as well as other forms of content for the internet. What we aren't talking about is how to write scientific papers, such as case studies and reports published in medical or scientific journals. Technical writing encompasses a plethora of topics and is not just used for scientific purposes. Perhaps you have been on the internet and you are reading about a particular diet or the performance and features of the latest flat panel television to hit the market. All of these are examples of technical writing in one format or another. Technical writing by nature is not intended to entertain the reader, but instead convey information in as economical a way as possible. While there are variations in technical writing where it may have some entertainment value due to the author's approach to the subject at hand, technical writing in itself is, well, technical. Your main objective is to express your message in the fewest number of words possible and only communicate the facts in an objective manner. Opinions do vary on this particular part of the technical writing equation, but the fact remains. Technical writing is used to pass on the facts and the facts only. Some may think that this sounds very mundane in principle, but the reality is that you can still inject your personality into the writing if you do it correctly. This is accomplished by using a conversational tone and speaking in the second person for the most part. We will cover all of the facets of technical writing in the pages to follow.